Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a new tutorial on how to make free flash calls with your airtel sim card. So first of all, I'm going to have to check my account balance, which is star 12, no, not star 123 hash, and I dial to check my account balance. You will see how much I actually have to know that I don't actually have credit. Star 123 star 123. Okay, the previous one I did have load. So as you can see, main balance 0.00, loan balance 100 naira, which is to say I'm even owing. So now I'm going to check my number. So to check my number, just to show you the number that is actually going to call right now. So I do star 121 hash and check my number. My number. So wait for the pop-up screen to come out and show me the option. I don't know why the thing is doing like this. So now I'll pick 3. I'll pick 3, which is manage my account. That's where I'll get my number. See it, number 4, my number 4. And I pick send. They'll show me my number now. So as you can see, my number ends with 08 and starts with 28. So now let me call the number I want to call for free. Well, it's not actually a call, but a flash call. So I go to my deal screen and I press star star. I click star star and the number. This is how to make the free flash call. You put star star and the number 0060643517. Then now you are going to call. Now watch and see as it will call. So watch. So watch now. So as you can see, one at 000 and still 0.00. Now see, as you can see, you've seen it, one missed call from that my number which ends at 08. You've seen it, and it begins with 28. So that's how you make free flash calls. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can like this video if you want. See you in my next video.